One down and the second is on the ground. After completing the J-Lab area of the massive Centrifuge Complex, workers started right in on the second section of the former testing and demonstration facility. The 83,000 square foot K-1200 structure was taken down in 1 week. Now crews are working to downsize and remove all the debris. Of course, getting each section ready for demolition is a major effort. Preparation involved a multifaceted approach to remove hazards and equipment to ensure the safe, efficient removal of the structure. The total Centrifuge Complex spans more than 235,000 square feet, and the highest structure is over 180 feet tall. Work has been divided into 4 distinct sections to improve efficiencies. When deactivation is complete in one section, demolition crews begin. The deactivation moves on to the remaining areas, followed by more demolition. Removal of the entire facility, which is very visible from the public roadways, will create one of the most pronounced skyline changes at the site and significantly reduce risk.